Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. It has nothing to do about makeup, nothing to do about beauty. It's just about me today. So today I'm just going to tell you guys 3 of my biggest pet peeves in life in general. It's something that I always think about and I'm just like, I need to let it out. This is what we're going to do today. It's going to be a really short video. Since I have a little bit of time, I thought I would talk about it. So I said, you know what, why not? So first pet peeve. I have a thing about, so you know when I go to the mall, it has to do about doors, okay? It doesn't have to be in the mall, but I'm just giving that as an example. And when you like, there's 2 doors, so you open the door and you like hold the door for the next person to come in, or you hold the door so the person doesn't have to like, you don't shove the door into the other person's face that's coming right behind you. My problem with that is that, you know, when you open the door and people like, usually they hold the door and they say thank you, right? My problem is when you open the door and they just walk in without trying to hold the door. And I'm like, I'm not your doorman. Like, I opened the door so you don't have, first of all, I don't shove the door into your face, and second of all, so that you don't have to like reopen the door and like use your strength or whatever. But like, I hate people just, I open the door and you just walk in. I'm like right behind you without even trying to open the door. Like, I'm not your doorman. I understand if like we're face to face, but if you're behind me, it doesn't make sense. Like, hold the door so I can move and like do my things. I'm not a doorman. I'm not here to open the door for you. I don't know. I don't know if that makes sense. Let me know in the comments if that makes sense. But it's just something that pisses me off all the time. When it happens to me, I'm just like, I'm not a doorman, okay? Just leave it at this. I'm not a doorman. That's it. So, second pet peeve. This might get some people triggered. I don't know. But my second pet peeve, it's people that like use their zodiac sign as an excuse. What I mean by that is like, every time like some people say, oh, why you like that, you know, you don't have to be mean, or they get like, they find an excuse to like get to talk about their zodiac sign, and they say like, oh, that's why I'm mean, it's because I'm this sign or I'm this sign. No, girl, you're just mean. You're just being a bitch, basically. I know a lot of people sometimes, like even on social media now, I feel like there's a lot of people that are saying like, oh, you know what, oh, it's because I'm an Aquarius. Oh, it's because I'm a Gemini. Oh, it's because I'm a Scorpio. That's why I act like that. Excuse me, if you're humane and if you're like not a bitch and if you're like, you care about other people, it doesn't matter what sign you are. Like, just get on with it and say sorry. Like, who the fuck do I care what sign you are, what zodiac sign you are? I just hate people who use their zodiac sign as an excuse for the way they behave. And I think it's almost immoral. So here, I said it. Like, I don't care. Okay, so now for my third biggest pet peeve, and the last one I have for you guys today is basically, I know people can relate to this one. It's basically when you're chilling with someone and, let's go back. It's basically when you text someone and they don't answer for like an hour, 2 hours, half an hour, whatever, how long it is. And you're like, oh, okay, they might be busy, whatever. But the minute you like chill with them, whether it's like all day or a whole afternoon, they're glued to their phone. And it's like, so when first of all, when I text you, you don't answer your phone, and most probably your phone is in your hands, because when you're with me, your phone is always in your hands. And second of all, it's like fucking rude. Like, I'm with you, I'm chilling with you, and you're always on your phone. It's like have some respect. I don't know. So this one is just like, people just don't have no respect anymore. It's like, if you don't want to talk to me, just say, I don't want to talk to you right now. I'm like that. I'll just say like, I'm sorry, but I don't want to talk to you right now, so I'll just like kind of move on. If I really don't answer, it's because I'm busy. Like, I'm basically busy, and I answer later and be like, I'm sorry, I didn't have my phone on me, or I was busy. It's like, and then you chill with them, it's like they always have their phone on them, to the point where you talk to them and they don't even respond because they're so glued to their phone. It's like, okay, so when I text you, you're not gonna answer? And second of all, you're rude as, like, you're rude AF to me. Like, I mean, I don't know. So these are my 3 pet peeves. These are the things I hate the most about people lately. But it's been bothering me for like a long time, so I just had to let it out. Just had to like let it go. I'm not letting go because most of them are just plain rude, but I just have to let it go, you know, like let it out for people to know. Just let me know down below in the comments what are your pet peeves, if you guys can relate to any of mine. If something like that happened to you too, how do you guys respond to that? When, like, if one of the ones I mentioned, what do you respond to that? Because I'm getting there to the point where I'm just gonna respond and be like, excuse me, and just let me know down in the comments. And yeah, that's it for today. So thank you to everybody who likes, comments, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.
One comes around once a day. They don't say things the same. 2 over 2 out the door.